Howdy, I'm Lance Swigert and I'm with S31 Goal, and I'm excited today to come to you to introduce you to our online interactive bidding functionality that we just created and are launching. It's designed for those people that are bidding on multiple items throughout a auction closing, and they want to be able to keep up and track those items that have been outbid, that they're winning their bids on, and what's closing next in a fast-paced environment. We're really excited at it. We've listened to it, we've interacted with other bidding pages and softwares, and it's really difficult sometimes to manage when you're watching 30, 40, 50 items that are closing on the same day. They may not be closing at the same time, but they're still hard to keep up with where you're at, which ones you have bid on, which ones you're outbid on. And so we've designed this page for those people in mind for an ease of bidding on large auctions. Hopefully you'll enjoy the demonstration we're going to go through here in just a second. If you got any questions, please reach out to us and we'll be glad to discuss it with you. As you can see, the page is a lot different looking and laid out to be designed to be used on a desktop, laptop, or tablet computer. Across the top, you will see we have some menu bars. We'll go over those in just a second. Next down, we have our items closing next. And so they're in the order of their closing times. We can scroll this bar. We can load more items if we would so choose. In this top bar, we can bid on the items. We can watch and unwatch, add those items to my watch list. Okay, so they show up in here. When you bid on an item that you don't have watched, so we don't have this, let's bid on it. It is now automatically added as a watched item and in my list over here as well for me to be able to watch. On this left-hand side, we have our watched items. So if you've watched an item from across the page, you can see those in your watched items. Then we have on the right-hand side, the items that we are outbid on. On the bottom side, we have the items that we have won for the day. As you can see currently, I have some green shaded items, which means I'm currently high bidder on those items. I have some orange shaded items, which are currently means I am outbid on those items. And so if I've got another bidder set up on another page on my computer, and so you can see as I bid on this item, I'm going to bid on here. It now moves and everything's shaded green wherever that item is listed. Okay. If I get outbid on an item, it changes the shading to orange and it moves into my outbid items page or section of the page so that I can make sure and watch the items that I have, and I can keep up with those items that I am watching. And as we'll see, it keeps up with extended bidding. It keeps everything in order. It rearranges the items in their closing time so I can always be watching the items that are closing the soonest. Okay, we're going to let this dozer close, and so you'll see what happens. So as you see now that I've won that item, it is down here in my won items with the total amount that I have spent. Okay, so as the items close, they keep moving. Things move up in my list, things move across. I'm constantly seeing the items that are closing the next. So I'm going to focus, you can focus sort of on this outbid area to be able to see which items you have been outbid on recently and that are closing. So hopefully that's a quick, well, let's go over our menu bars. Let's go over our menu bars. So we have our duration. So we're going to look at items closing 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, 3 days, 1 week, or 2 weeks out. And so you can select how many items you want in that list and what kind of duration you want. I have my menu bar to go to the other areas. We also have our exit button. So if I want to leave this page, hopefully you have a great experience with this new online interactive bidding page. We've worked hard on it, and we hope you really enjoy it and really like it. Let us know what you think of it. Give us feedback on it, because we're always trying to make a better product for you. Have a great day.